Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll check for list view widget in a Flutter. Okay, so list view is the most commonly used scrolling widget in the Flutter. It displays the children one after another in the scroll direction, vertically or horizontally. Okay, in Flutter, we can create a simple list view, which is a static, and then we have a list view dot builder constructor which is text and index widget builder, okay, which builds the children on demand. So ListView.builder is useful for a dynamic widget creation. Okay, and then another one is a ListView.separated constructor. It takes two index widget builders. One is a item builder and another one is a separator builder. So similarly, builds separator children which appears in between the child items, similar like a divider. Okay, divider widget. Then last one is a list.custom constructor. It takes an sliver child delegate, which provides the ability to customize additional aspects of the child model. Okay, for example, a sliver child delegate can control the algorithm to used to estimate the size of children that are not actually visible. Okay. Okay, so let's check one by one. Okay, so I'm creating a new Flutter project. Okay, so let's see, let's view one by one. Okay, so let me create one Dart file in lib folder, new Dart file, list demo. Okay, okay, great. Now let's create a stateless widget. Let's say list view widget, import material. Okay, perfect. Now I'll take one row so we can create three list view in a row just for understanding how actually it will work. Okay, so in row my first children will be list view. Okay, so this is a simple list view. For a static list we can use a list view. Okay, so list view accepts the children's. Okay, this we can add multiple children here. Let's say list type, title. Title will accept a widget. Any type of widget it will accept. So say item one. Let's give name of Steve. Okay. So list view which takes an explicit list of widgets of children's. This list of children are made up. Okay. So here I have created list view, simple list view. So it takes an explicit list widget of children's. Okay. So here our list of children are made up of list tile. Okay. You can also create for a container or any widget you can give in the list view. Okay. let's say city list. Okay? Or you can simply add a text. It means you can give any type of widget inside the list view children. Let's run this code and let's check. Okay. Okay, so there is error for which, yeah. So inside row we have used the list view. So wrap this inside a expanded. Expanded. Restart. Okay, perfect. So here our list view is a created city list and list of the cities, right? Okay. So here list style, mostly list style is used to populate the list view. Okay. List style have their properties like title, then on tab, then style. You can give custom style for this. Then you can set a leading widget, or you can use a trailing widget, etc. Okay. There are many properties for list style. Okay. Now let's use some of them. Try leading. So it will accept a widget. So I'm setting a icon for leading, icons.city. Okay. Here you can see a leading icon is added for Mumbai, right? Again, there is a trailing. So trailing will set widget at the right side of the list type. Okay. So here, let's say arrow forward. Perfect. Okay. Now, yeah, let me wrap this in size box to give a fixed width. It will give 150. Okay, let's remove the Monday. Uh, okay, so private 250. Yeah, perfect. So same way, you can give this leading trailing for all list style. Great. Also, you can set the color for list style. Uh, Tile color, colors dot. Let's say tail. Okay. Okay. So this is the list view, right? Now let's check for the list view dot builder. Okay. So now in list view we have created our list style statically, right? There is a no dynamic created on not from the API or not from the array, right? So to create a dynamic children for list view, there is a list view dot builder widget. So we can use that list view dot builder. Okay. So item builder will provide a context and index of the current child. Okay. And inside item builder it will return a widget. Widget can be any type of widget. Okay. So here again we'll return list type. Let's copy this from above. ListView.builder. So ListView.builder is used for infinite scrollable list or for dynamic children creation. We are using ListView.builder. Okay. So to create a fixed length of list, we can set the item count. Let's say if I set item count 3, then it will create a 3 times. Let's check. Okay. If I give item count 3, then it will create the same list type 3 times. Yeah. Let's wrap this inside expanded. Yeah, you can see 3 times Mumbai list style is created. Okay. Let me remove this and give some padding. Let left and right. Okay. Now, okay. So now let's try for dynamic. So for that, we'll create one array list. Okay. Let's say list of string my city list to Kolhapur, Mumbai, Pune. Okay. Uh, Remove const. Now this length of this list you can give your as a item count. Okay. And in the list style, remove the hard coded text and get text from the list using index of the item builder. Restart the application. Yeah, you can see Kolhapur, Mumbai, Pune, Nasik, Chennai. Items are created dynamically. So here you can see difference between list view and list view.builder. So in list view.builder we have just created single tile and give the item count as a list of length of list. Okay? And inside item builder, using the index of item builder, we have shown the text from that list, like my city list of index. Index is the item builder index. Okay. Now let's check for ListView.separated. So ListView.separator also same as a ListView.builder. In only one additional properties is separator builder, right? So ListView.builder is provide only item builder, but ListView.separator provide item builder as well as separator builder. The separator builder is used for divider between two list items. Let's check ListView.separated. Here you can say item builder and separator builder and item count. These three are mandatory parameter for separator. Okay. So here we'll use same array list or list create my city list dot length. In item builder, context and index. Okay. Let's copy from the above code. Return list type. And here for separator builder, we'll use divider. Color dot black. Okay. It also separator will build also have build context and index. Okay. Here also you can return any type of widget. Let's say we can return container as well, or we can return any widget. Okay. Now let's return divider for now. Give color. Colors dot red. Let me wrap in this box. Uh, Wrap in padding. Give left padding 8. Then let's wrap this inside size box. Width 250. Let's restart. Okay. Here you can see a red line divider. Okay. If we return empty widget like size box, then separator will remove from it. You can see difference. See. So separator builder uh, add the widget between the two list items. Okay. Here you can see container. Okay, and finally our list view custom. Okay, let's check. Okay, let's implement list view not custom constructor. So for that, list view dot custom. Okay, and required parameter is children delegate. Okay, in which sorry. So here sliver child builder delegate will become, and then context and index. Okay, so it will return child. Let's copy this style from the above. Okay. What is the error? Okay. Now we have added sliver child build delegate. Inside that context will be there and index. Okay. And here we have written list style. Child count will be my city list dot length. Okay. Okay, and let's restart the application. Mm, Let me wrap this inside size box with 250. Now let's run. Okay, perfect. Here you can see listview.custom. Okay. Oh, one more is parameter there. Find. After the child count, find child index callback. And here we'll pass p, and it will return my setList.index of data. Oh, value key string equal to key. Okay. We'll typecast this value key of string. Final string data will be equal to value key dot value. So find child index callback is used for, here you can see, if the order in which builder returns children over changes, consider providing a find child index callback. Okay. This allows the delegate to find a new index for a child that was previously located at a different index to attach the existing state to the widget at its new location. Okay. Okay, so we have seen a simple list view, then list view dot builder, then list view separated, and finally list view custom. Okay, that's it for this tutorial, today's tutorial. In next tutorial, we'll see how to fetch data from JSON, from API, and uh, show into the list. Okay, now practice it by yourself. Happy coding, enjoy. Thank you guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment.